Assalamualaikum, beloved Hazur.
Islam.
Beloved Hazur, we note a large number of youngsters having difficulty to get rishtas or not interested to get married.
Acha,
And also,
this problem this problem is basically in girls, not in boys.
both.
Both. You also feeling difficulty in getting rishta? If you want
No.
to, if
I'm already married.
if
I'm already married and one daughter also.
So you don't want any second wife? No.
No.
Okay. So those who find difficulty in getting rishta, they should. You see, there is a rishta nata department in your country, and then an international rishta nata department as well. So you can write to Rishta Nata Department, International Rishta Nata Department, which is being run by Wakalat Tabshir here in London. So you can write to them or ask your Rishta Nata Department, those people who find difficulty in getting rishtas, so they should help you find some good rishtas, or those who are in need of, not you only particularly.